come over to the Newbury showground. There's a ploughing match here today, and there should be some horses ploughing. I haven't seen them yet.
Many of the tractors were actually vintage, and that one is an old Fortune Major, probably from the 50s, judging by the registration plate anyway. There was a ransom plough. The conditions for ploughing were bad. The ground was very hard, and that one placed his coulter disc stuck up in the air, so there's not a clean cut behind him. There's a Caterpillar, I think they're a D2. The trailer plough on. Even the trailer ploughers failed to get in the ground very well. Nice whole move, and he reversed. Which I think is a McCormick. Yes, it is. Standard Ford. They're going back a long way. Quarters and 40s. They must have made them. I can remember them. I've actually driven them a long time ago now. They're not matching up quite well on there. It's just see the two-footer and they're not matching the one in the previous turn.
Two big lumps of stone or concrete on this one. That's the last thing you want to hit.
The advice was, if you get a stone, a big stone knocks the plough out, pick the stone up and put it on the surface so the judge can see it. Then they know what the clause is. That's an International TD4 or TD6. Couldn't quite see the number on the back. We've done a lot of work in the 60s, one of them, on the farm I was on. We used to pull the grain drill with it.
Off again. Well-maintained tractor. You're doing a good job. This one is just starting to cast out now through his neighbour's plot. Point you need to start taking any kinks out of it, straighten it up, because that doesn't count against you. So get it straight quickly. good job, that chap.
Many ploughmen were carrying weights on their plough to keep them in the ground. And you can see that weight at the back sitting on the plough. It's so hard. Somebody said to me, he didn't reckon it had been ploughed for 10 years. Probably right, it's all direct drilled nowadays. And these little two-thrower ploughs, they've got no penetration. And they've put their coulter discs there, and that simply holds the plough out. And that's why people have taken them up, and that's why you've got a rough edge there. This old girl sounds nice, very sweet. It's getting back a bit too. Again back to the probably 50s, 60s, 50s I should think. Probably a ransom player, most of the popular players are ransom.
Come out of there, watch out, keep back a bit. Keep back.
There are mailers in the way there.
He's doing quite a good job, that chap. There's a couple around here that are making good job. The soil seems better at this end. It's much easier to plough.
Sort of major, it could be a power major. Don't think it's a super major. But the cast iron front wheel, but that gives it away a bit.
It's measuring the width. Make sure it's the same both ends.
The only ploughs you could get in the ground properly were the reversibles because of their weight. There were a few reversibles, but he made quite a good job. But it's the weight that does it.
Measuring it across there.
Quite a bit of stubble not buried. It's because the skins which bury the stubble are attached to the discs. And the discs are not down in the ground far enough because they simply hold the plough out.
You need to start measuring as early as possible. Make sure that you're going to end up with the right width for your plough. No, Ferguson's got a job to get along. He's slipping. That little grey tractor at Ferguson's got a job to move. He's got a job to get along.
Yeah.
Don't bother.
It's very nice work. Very straight. Everything's buried. Wind has picked up there, it's making a bit of noise in the microphone on the camera.
That's quite a nice bit of work.
This one's not quite matching up to his previous turn. See that? 2 and 2 and 2. Just need to get that front furrow matched.
I'd have been happy with that. That's not bad. Not absolutely straight, but for the conditions, it's not bad at all.
It's a Massey Ferguson 35. And they're going back a bit now. And, late 50s, early 60s.
Can't get it in the ground. Too shallow. job there. There's a few bits of good work about it, and there's some rubbish. We didn't run into it, so no, I think we're safe. I rode that one side saddle.
And they're moving over to the static machines and steam rollers and traction engines.
Looks nice. That's what they fit. There must have been a way of delivering milk, I guess, years ago.
Sorry?
A way of delivering milk.
Yes. Yeah.
All the old measures there. Massey 35's in good condition. A few new bits on it, I think. New starter motor. Probably generator as well, dynamo. And of course a new bag on the seats. The old tyres run past MOT. Luckily tractors don't have MOTs. There weren't many on the road if they did.
And he picked that up. Of course, somebody drilled a blow broke his old days in the bottom.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to put the tank connector in the bottom.
Lister engine, so popular the years ago. Stroke rope. Old steam rollers. Need a bit to go. Keep it away.
Yes, you can, and then I can swing all.
So dusty today, it really is. Our job to get two people in there. Made in Lincoln, this one. Beautiful condition. Absolutely quiet. This is the Hornsby. They're very famous steam engines. Looks to see her running, but I don't think she's going to be running today. Old, says nice, still Morris. Morris. Must be near any Morris Minor. Oh, a bit noisier now. Picnic hamper on the back. Another old steamroller here. That's the Marmaduke.
How are you doing, Tim?
Oh, he's just fish. That would have been good fish, except that for some reason his tractor kept straight, but the plough's slewed off to the left. Well, I spoiled it. I'll drop a few points for that.
You got 2 minutes.
Unless they've changed the rules, as long as you're in your last pass across the field to finish, it doesn't matter if you don't finish on time. That would be a few minutes late. As long as you're on the ground and going across, that's okay.
Yeah, he's brought that a bit there.
Say if I do that.
Never mind.
If you've enjoyed this video, then give us a like, subscribe, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. And thank you very much for watching.